drowning in paperwork and employee requests? Let's simplify one crucial task: managing time off in Gusto. First, log into your Gusto account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Time Off section located on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to access the Time Off Management area. You'll now see the Time Off Request page here. You'll find a list of all pending time off requests submitted by your employees. Each request displays the employee's name, the dates they're requesting off, the type of time off like vacation or sick leave, and any notes they might have added. To review a specific request, click on the employee's name or the request itself. This will open a detailed view where you can see all the request information. Take your time to thoroughly read over the request and any notes the employee has added to fully understand the reason for the time off. Now, make your decision. If you approve the request, click the Approve button. A pop-up may appear, allowing you to add a note to the employee, such as a confirmation message. If you need to decline the request, click the Decline button. You'll be prompted to provide a reason for the denial, which is important for maintaining transparency with your employees. Once you approve or decline a request, the system automatically updates the time off calendar, ensuring accurate tracking of employee absences. This helps prevent scheduling conflicts and allows for proper payroll adjustments. And that's it. Approving or denying time off in Gusto is a simple process that helps you maintain accurate records, manage employee absences, and keep your team running smoothly. Remember to communicate clearly with your employees throughout the process.